First time here. Take a look. Look outside. Yeah, look outside, sure. Look at it. See? Yeah, see? Yeah. Oh, is that right?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today.
Nói nhớ cho đời Thunder Valley, nhớ cho Lincoln, California. Nó cho của thủ tu to từ cho đời Thunder Valley là nó. Chế bé một check in thì nó ta chế bé mà sau không bự, một chút sau không bự chế mà đời nó mà người phải cho đời nó mà. We are on the 12th floor, so here we go.
Floor.
Okay, here's our floor. Go ahead. 1236. 1236 that way. Okay, that way. 1236. Okay, that's my room right here for tonight. Wow, look at these beds. Nice, big and comfortable. Open the curtain, check to see what you got here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
First
Yeah.
time? Yeah, first time, man.
First time here. Take a look. Look outside. Yeah, look outside, sure. Look at it. See? Yeah, see?
California, so it's off.
Yeah. Oh, is that right? All yellow grass, no green grass. Only the grass that was next to the Thunder Valley that was green. Oh, that's a pool right there. Woo, beautiful pool right there. Well, it was so hot. It was 109 degrees today. So later on today, we're gonna go and jump in the pool.
I'll just be wearing jeans.
Maximus and Chua Chan. We are going to the pool right now. We go downstairs. Okay. Here we are, outside to the pool.
Did she tell you anything about?
I personally have not seen any
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, get out there. Travels, hiking, fishing, camping, event, eat, pray. Cô cháu ít trong phong vui sẽ sụt lại.